everyone and welcome, Anke here. This is my first video as the October 2021 guest designer for WH00 Embossing. Today I share a Christmas card and here you can see what I'm going to use. Distress ink pads, which I use for creating my background. These WH00 embossing powders and glitters, the embossing pad, the beautiful snowy Christmas stamp set and some die cuts which I cut with dies designed by Alexandra Renke. I start with creating the background of my card. Therefore I cut a strip of white cardstock and apply distress ink with a blending brush. I start with Distress Oxide Speckled Egg and then add Distress Ink Weathered Wood. Then I spray water over the ink and take it off with a paper towel. The water takes off a bit of the ink, so you get a nice effect. Now I let the background dry and go on with my die cuts. I cut the inner part of the snow globe from adhesive tape and now I apply Brilliant Silver Essential Glitter Sparkles. Then I emboss the little trees and pine cones. I start with the pine cones and emboss them with Ulla's Cognac from the Alexandra Renke collection. For the trees and the fir branches I use Bella's Forest, also from the Alexandra Renke collection. I chose this one because the tiny white dots in the powder look like snow on the trees. For embossing the little snowman, I use an embossing pen which allows me to apply the embossing ink exactly where I want it to be, which is perfect for detailed images. I start with Primary Ebony Regular for the head, then Twiggy for the arms and Orangeade for the nose. I emboss the body with powdered snow. Now I embellish the snow globe with all these little die cuts. background paper is dry now and I'll add some snowflakes. I use the beautiful Snowy Christmas stamp set, opaque bright white superfine embossing powder, my Misty, and I stamp and emboss snowflakes in different shapes and sizes. Then I glue the background paper on my card base, add a sentiment from the Christmas Sentiment stamp set, and finally the snow globe, which I adhere with foam pads to add dimension to my card. So here you can see my finished card. I'm really happy with how it turned out and I hope you like it too. Thanks so much for stopping by today.